made it to Montana. Doing my morning sun gazing and listening to these beautiful birds. My goodness. I don't know if you can hear them, but just listen to them. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Absolutely love it out here. You can see for days and days and days, and then of course there's all the mountainous areas and ridges. So we're going to explore some of this area, and I encourage you to go do something for yourself this weekend that really sets your hair on fire, something that really gets that happy button pressed and mashed down for yourself. It doesn't matter if it's a walk, even if it's just a hike somewhere. Maybe there's a watering hole near you where you can go chill out for yourself, but something for you. For you. You're worth it. I promise you. I love you guys so much. I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my sun gazing and, of course, this beautiful countryside out here in Montana. Make it an amazing life, warriors.